On today's digital age, cybersecurity is a critical concern for individuals and organizations alike. With the increasing prevalence of cyber threats, understanding the fundamentals of cybersecurity is essential for protecting personal information and maintaining privacy online. This comprehensive guide aims to provide a practical overview of cybersecurity basics, offering actionable steps to enhance your digital security. Introduction to Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity encompasses the practices and technologies designed to protect computers, networks, programs, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, or damage. As our daily activities become more digitized, maintaining robust cybersecurity measures is paramount. Understanding cyber threats to effectively protect yourself online, it's crucial to understand the various types of cyber threats. Malware, malicious software designed to harm or exploit systems. This includes viruses, worms, ransomware, spyware, and Trojans. Phishing, deceptive attempts to obtain sensitive information by impersonating trustworthy entities via email or messages. Ransomware, a type of malware that encrypts your data and demands payment for decryption. Social engineering, manipulative tactics used to trick individuals into divulging confidential information. Denial of service, DOS, attacks that overwhelm a system, making it unresponsive to legitimate users. Fundamental principles of cybersecurity. Understanding the core principles of cybersecurity helps in building a strong defense. Confidentiality, ensuring that information is accessible only to those authorized to have access. Integrity, maintaining the accuracy and completeness of data. Availability, ensuring that information and resources are available to authorized users when needed. Best practices for online safety. Implementing best practices is essential for safeguarding your online presence. Use strong, unique passwords. Create complex passwords using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating systems, applications, and security software to patch vulnerabilities. Be wary of suspicious links and attachments. Avoid clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown or untrusted sources. Regularly back up important data. Ensure you have backups of essential files to prevent data loss in case of an attack. Protecting personal devices. Securing your personal devices is a critical aspect of cybersecurity. Install reputable security software. Use trusted antivirus and anti-malware programs to detect and prevent threats. Configure firewalls. Firewalls act as barriers between your device and potential threats from the internet. Ensure they are properly configured and active. Disable unnecessary services and ports. Turn off services and close ports that are not in use to reduce potential entry points for attackers. Encrypt sensitive data. Use encryption tools to protect sensitive information stored on your devices. Securing online accounts. Your online accounts hold a wealth of personal information. Protect them by using password managers. Tools like 1Password can securely store and manage your passwords, making it easier to maintain strong, unique credentials across platforms. Reviewing account activity. Regularly, monitor your accounts for any unauthorized or suspicious activity. Setting up account recovery options. Ensure your accounts have updated recovery options, such as secondary email addresses or security questions. Safe Internet Browsing. Browsing the Internet safely involves using secure connections. Ensure websites use HTTPS, indicating a secure connection. Being cautious with downloads. Only download software or files from reputable sources. Avoiding pop-up ads. Be wary of pop-up ads as they can sometimes contain malicious content. Clearing browser cache and cookies. Regularly clear your browser's cache and cookies to protect your privacy. Email. Security emails are a common vector for cyber attacks. Enhance your email security by verifying sender authenticity. Check the sender's email address for inconsistencies or signs of spoofing. Being skeptical of unsolicited emails. Be cautious of unexpected emails, especially those